Hello, Alex here with Tech Corner. I just received the GoPro Hero 13, so let's go ahead and unbox it. And I got the kit, which was kind of nice. Which unlike Apple products, you have to use a knife to unbox it. There we go. Here. Okay. And I got the kit, which is kind of nice. There. So it's nice. It comes in a case. So yeah, this is the GoPro 13 Black. I originally had the DJI Osmo Pocket. I loved it, except for the gimbal was a little wonky. Sometimes it would start adjusting, so I'm going to try this for my trip to Germany, and we're going to see how it goes, if I like this. I will, of course, do a full review once I get back regarding using this and what I liked and what I didn't like about this. But now, as you can see here, so we've got this. So we're going to click on this. Let's see what's in here. I love the case. The case is really nice. Okay, so we get our little mount here. These are our two little, I believe, batteries. Here is the actual device itself. Kind of interesting. I guess I'm going to kind of want to keep it in this box style. So I'm going to right now say not too bad, but again, this would have been nice if it was actual plastic or like some kind of foam. This being a cardboard box, it makes it seem a little cheap. And it looks like it's probably not going to last that long, you know, due to it being this style. Let's see what we've got here. I think these are the mounts. Yeah, these are the different mounts with adhesive. Oop, there we go. So we got two different mounts. Okay. So yeah, so this, yeah, I don't know why they went with this route. This seems very cheap and kind of pointless. I don't think I'm going to use that. So you got your stick here, so you can hold it up like that. And then let's go ahead and there's our lens. Okay. And then we're going to, there we go. There we go. And there we go. And then it looks like you can probably put the battery. Let's see. I'll have to look into seeing how you add the batteries in here. I'm not seeing an option. Oh, there we go. There we go. So now I can pop in one of these batteries. So you get two batteries with this, which is nice. So that way, when it runs out, you can just quickly hot swap. Looks like the USB charger is right there. Okay, that's a nice little tab, so you can pull it out. So there we go. And then, nope. I think that was the way to go. Nope, goes this way. There we go. Okay, there we go. The good news is the battery can only go in one way, which is nice. And if I power this on, and there we go. Oh, there we go. And there we go. And then we can set this up. So that is the GoPro 13 Black. So definitely look out for my video on how I like it during my trip when I get back in a few weeks, and then we'll go from there. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe. It's totally free, and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.